Today I will tell you how to apply for Knight Hansen Scholarship Program 2021 for Stanford University. I give this link in the description. Just follow this link. I already opened this link in Google Chrome. This page is open. Scroll down, read first eligibility criteria, application process, and then click to start your application. If you already have an account, then click start new application. Otherwise, create an account to start a new application. I fill this form with an exemplary Gmail. Then click to continue. A temporary pin has been sent to your email address. Check your email. Go to Gmail. I received an activation code. Copy this code. And paste here. And put your birth date. Click to login. Create a new password that contain at least one letter, one capital letter, one number, but at least 12 characters. New password must match. And then set password. Password does not meet the following criteria. I repeat password. Then set password. Update, and again click to start new application. You are eligible to apply if you earned your undergraduate bachelor degree in 2014 or later. Put your university name from where you got bachelor degree. I put here GC University Lahore, an exemplary end date 2018, submit. And then click to Knight Hansen Scholarship Program and open application. Your application form is open. Read these instructions. These are the various programs that is offered by the university: MBA program, MD program, engineering, MA, PhD. If you have a question, then follow this description and then click to continue. Put here your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, Mr., Sir, or elsewhere, preferred name, other user last name, your country, street address, city, state, postal code, current email, primary phone, mobile number, your sex, if optional, birth date, birth country, birth city, birth state, your citizenship, if you are any other country other than USA or Australia. Fill this form, then click to continue. Your background, family information, add parent information, your relationship, first name, last name, living, occupation, employer, or just level of education of your father or any other gardener. Undergraduate funding source, employment, family, loan, scholarship. Spoken language, language proficiency, click to continue. Your graduate degree program detail. If you are applying 1 degree graduate, then click this one, and if you are applying for 2 graduate degree program at a time, then click this one. I want to study only 1 graduate degree program, then click this. Here they ask about your graduate degree program. If you are applying for biochemistry, then click 2nd graduate degree, 3rd graduate degree. Your academic interest or faculty members, search from university website, then click to continue. Here your institution, GC University Lahore, school, FSC or ICS, intermediate study detail, put here, then click to continue. Work experience, if you have done any job, then put here your experience, then click to continue. If you perform any activities during the study, then put here or any organization or activity. Click to continue. If you have got any award in university, then put here and then click to continue. If you graduate degree program require test dot, if you are applying for graduate, then put here your test score for Knight Hansen scholarship program. Add test type, GRE, GMT, GRT, IELTS, TOEFL. Put here subtype and test date and then their score, and then click to continue. Upload your CV in Word or PDF format, then click to continue. Here is recommendation letter that is required for the postgraduate degree program, and these letters are provided by the previous university professors that recommend you, and then click to continue. Short answers or essay. First answer, after graduating from Stanford, what are your immediate and long-term intentions? These are few questions that is written by the university scholarship, and then put here your answer in which way you want, and then click to continue. Additional information. And then click to continue. These instructions very carefully, and then click to continue. Here put your signature of full name, and then click to continue. Again check your form. your form PDF and save for later. And you receive an email from university on night and says scholarship program, which will confirm your scholarship form has submit. If you enjoy this video, please like it. It does a lot of good for me. If you want to aware a new scholarship that is offered by the different universities, then consider to subscribe my channel